If you've been interested in drones for a while, you've probably heard of DJI. They're known for making some of the most dependable consumer drones on the market. Whether you're just flying for fun or shooting professional-level video, DJI usually has something to offer. Last year, they introduced their most compact and affordable drone, the DJI Neo. On paper, it sounded great, small size, lightweight build, 4K video. But in practice, many users found it felt more like a toy, with underwhelming video quality and so-so flight performance. Now, there's buzz around the upcoming DJI Neo 2, and it looks like some big improvements are on the horizon. One of the main complaints about the original Neo was how loud it was, surprisingly, even noisier than some of DJI's larger models like the Flip or Mini 4 Pro. Rumors suggest the Neo 2 might feature a completely redesigned, foldable frame, similar to the Flip, which could reduce noise and make it easier to carry around. The camera is another area where big changes are expected. While the current Neo has a small half-inch sensor shooting 4K at 30 frames per second, the Neo 2 may come with a larger 1.3-inch sensor capable of shooting 4K at up to 100 frames per second. That means smoother footage and sharper detail. Plus, the field of view is rumored to expand from 117 degrees to 155 degrees, allowing you to capture more in each shot. For photography enthusiasts, there's more good news. The Neo 2 is expected to offer 48-megapixel still photos, a huge jump from the original. This could make it an attractive option for travelers and creators who want excellent photos without hauling around bulky gear. Stabilization is another area where upgrades are likely. The original Neo relied on a single-axis gimbal combined with electronic stabilization, which wasn't ideal for fast movements or tight shots. With the Neo 2, we might see improved hardware stabilization and better subject tracking, possibly even obstacle detection, making it easier to fly safely and smoothly. Battery life is also rumored to improve. While the Neo had a fairly short flight time, the Neo 2 might offer up to 24 minutes of airtime, impressive for such a small drone. As for the release, there's no official launch date yet, but industry insiders like Jasper Ellen suggest we might see it later this year. If these upgrades turn out to be true, the Neo 2 could become the go-to compact drone for both casual pilots and professionals looking for a lightweight backup. What's your take? Will the Neo 2 outperform the Flip? Or are these just small improvements on a forgettable model? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this update, be sure to like and subscribe for more drone news.